Foldable electric wheelchairs are becoming increasingly popular among adults who seek both independence and mobility without sacrificing convenience. Unlike bulky traditional wheelchairs, these compact designs are easy to transport, making them ideal for travel and daily use. In this guide, we evaluate the best foldable electric wheelchairs by considering list number 1, foldable electric wheelchairs for adults. The foldable electric wheelchair for adults is designed with practicality in mind, offering users a smooth and comfortable ride without the hassle of a heavy frame. Built from durable yet lightweight materials, this wheelchair supports extended mobility while being easy to fold and transport in a car trunk. Its brushless motor provides reliable power, ensuring consistent performance on flat surfaces and mild inclines. What sets this model apart is its user-friendly joystick controller, allowing intuitive navigation even for those with limited hand strength. The battery offers respectable mileage, ensuring several hours of continuous use before recharging. The chair also comes with anti-tip wheels for enhanced safety, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. For frequent travelers or users who need a balance of comfort, reliability, and portability, this wheelchair is a smart investment. It doesn't overwhelm with unnecessary features, but focuses on what matters most: ease of use and dependable mobility.
List number 2, Vive Lightweight Electric Wheelchair for Adults. The Vive Lightweight Electric Wheelchair stands out for its featherweight construction and practical design. Weighing less than many traditional models, it's an excellent option for individuals who prioritize portability. Despite its lighter frame, the chair doesn't compromise on stability, offering a supportive seat and sturdy wheels for consistent performance. Its standout feature is the dual motor system, which ensures smooth maneuverability across different surfaces. The compact joystick can be mounted on either armrest, offering flexibility for left or right-handed users. The Vive chair also features quick folding technology, making it a breeze to load into vehicles without assistance. Battery life is sufficient for daily errands and outings, though not as long as some premium models. Still, its quick charge capability offsets this limitation.
List number 3, 30 miles electric wheelchairs for adults. If long battery life is your top priority, the 30 miles electric wheelchair is a strong contender. With an extended range of up to 30 miles on a single charge, this model is ideal for users who need reliable mobility for longer trips or outdoor excursions. The powerful dual motors deliver excellent traction and performance on uneven terrain, giving it an edge over standard city-only wheelchairs. The sturdy yet foldable design allows for easy transport, though it is heavier than ultra-lightweight models. Its high weight capacity also makes it a reliable option for larger adults. The ergonomic seat design and adjustable armrests enhance comfort, especially during longer rides. Safety is another highlight with anti-tip wheels, a secure braking system, and a responsive joystick for controlled navigation. The robust build ensures longevity, making this chair a worthwhile long-term investment for frequent users. List number 4, Birchbike Artemis All-Terrain Electric Wheelchair. The Birchbike Artemis All-Terrain Electric Wheelchair is a powerhouse for users who want freedom beyond city streets. Engineered with rugged tires and a high-torque motor, it can handle grass, gravel, and uneven terrain with ease. Unlike lightweight travel chairs, this model is built for durability and outdoor exploration. Its suspension system ensures a smoother ride even on rough paths, while the sturdy frame offers superior stability.
List number 5, Reclining Electric Wheelchair, 30 miles with bag electric. For maximum comfort and versatility, the reclining electric wheelchair with 30 miles range is a standout option. Designed with a reclining backrest, it provides added relief for users who may spend long hours seated. This ergonomic feature sets it apart, allowing individuals to adjust their posture and reduce pressure points. Like the 30 miles electric model, it offers long-range mileage on a single charge, making it suitable for extended outings. The reclining mechanism pairs with cushioned seating for exceptional comfort,
while the included storage bag adds convenience for carrying personal items. Its foldable frame is slightly bulkier due to the reclining function, but still manageable for transport in larger vehicles. Maneuverability is smooth with its joystick controller, and the safety features, including anti-tip design and strong brakes, ensure reliable operation. Best for adults who prioritize comfort and reclining functionality along with extended range.